Hello, and welcome to K-9 6. This software allows you to make and manage records for canine handlers and their dogs. You can create and manage different users, dogs, and records such as training records, medical records, expense records, deployment records, and certification of handlers. You can access, print, and edit these records from any computer. Let me show you around the software. This is the home screen. Here we can access all of the features the software offers. The home screen provides some basic information about your records, the current weather, date and time, as well as some other information about the system. On the left of the screen, you have your software and department management features, such as user profiles, dog profiles, names of people used within your records, settings, tools, scheduling, and supervisory management. On the right, you can access your record types, as well as a daily log function that allows you and your users to create ongoing logs of your shifts. Towards the bottom of the right side, you can access the mapping function, which allows you to create and manipulate GPS files to insert into your records, as well as the files function, which allows you to insert photos, PDF, and other kinds of files into your records. There is also a lock function here that allows you to lock your software, keeping it secure while you're away from the computer. These 4 buttons allow you to manipulate the information on the home screen. You can view recent activity, which shows you records and changes that have been made within your department. Basic stats will show you the count of different types of records, users, and dogs within your department. System messages will show you recent updates that we have made to the software. And scheduled events will display any upcoming events that you've put into the scheduler. At the bottom, you can create a new record, sync your computer to the server, downloading any files in your department to your computer, and uploading all of your files to the server. You can set a basic timer, enter a trainer log, create pass-on information for the next shift to read, access software support, and refresh your weather information. That is all for this video. In later videos, we will be going in depth on how to use the numerous functions of the software.